In this video, let's see how to germinate beetroot seeds in soil blocks. A link to the video about how to make the soil blocks is in the description. Here we are using 3/4 inch soil blocks. This is the soil block maker. This will make 20 blocks. One seed is placed on each block. Make sure the seeds have good seed-to-soil contact. We can press down the seeds to have good contact with the soil. Add few drops of water on each seed. The tray is kept on the seedling heat mat. Keep the blocks covered with a burlap so that the soil blocks don't dry up. The soil blocks need to be watered once a day. When watering, pour water away from the soil blocks so that the soil blocks don't lose their shape. After watering, the excess water which is in the tray must be removed. If water is let to stand in the tray, it can cause mold growth. This may also cause damping off disease. Now 3 days have passed since seed starting. When we see 50% germination, the soil blocks can be removed from the heat mat and kept under grow light. Here we can see about 50% germination. This can be placed under the light. The light has to be close to the seedling, so that the seedling don't stretch looking for the light. The seedling needs 16 hours of light. Now 14 days have passed since seed starting. At this stage, the seedlings can be transplanted into the soil. Make holes for about 2 inches deep and drop 1 soil block with seedling per hole. Cover the holes lightly. Thanks for watching.